Hello, my name is Trina and our garden is Zone 10. Today we are going to take a tour in my garden. So today is January the 22nd and here are my snapdragons. I propagated them about a month ago. The taller plants are the main plants and the smaller ones are the ones that are the snapdragon cuttings. And they are looking great. Here I am growing soft neck garlic, and this is a silver white. I started it in October of last year. This is California white, early Italian. And I don't know why my garlic is curling. I don't know if it's because of our weather changes or it needs water. Today it's going to get up in the high 70s, but at night we have gotten as low as 37. And we have not had rain in a long time. And I am praying for rain in Jesus' name. My onions are looking great. There you go. And my bok choy and romaine lettuce. I think I planted it out maybe a week ago. And it's time to water. My celery is looking beautiful. Celery. This is definitely a jungle. I have collard greens, cabbage, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts trying to form. Celery. Beets. Yellow beets. And then here's my broccoli. Finally coming in. More celery in the back. There's some collards in here and more Brussels sprouts. So this is really packed in here. So far, I love growing in the Vigo garden bed. But I think my ultimate test is going to be this summer when the heat and the bugs that are going to come. So this is going to be a challenge for me. And I got to go through it. Finally, I'm going to talk about my lemon and lime tree. More specifically, my lime tree. With the exception of one lime, I have not gotten any fruit on these trees. Usually the little baby limes or lemons will fall off. But I decided last month to do a heavy pruning. And when I did, they flowered. And then this lime tree produced all types of limes. And yes, some of the baby limes fell off, but I have some that are larger. I never really got them this large except for the one that I grew last year. So I'm excited and I hope and pray that I get limes this year. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, comment, and subscribe.